Okay, this is Tilly. So this is her second day with me, and I'm just standing around here with her because she's extremely nervous of being outside. She's extremely nervous of loud noises. So the fact that we're stood here next to a lot of very loud children, and I'm waiting for the train to come by because the train will certainly trigger her. So I'm just going to make her wait here while the train goes on, and then we can see how she responds to that. Any kind of loud noise, any kind of fast movement has always triggered Tilly, and that's what puts her into a panic state, which is why she doesn't want to go out. So I'm making her just stay still. Now she has sat down of her own accord. I always say I never tell the dogs to sit. When they sit down, that tells me the state of mind they're in, but I won't tell them to do it because that's just a trick. Okay, so we're going to get the train coming round here. There's the train, very loud. I mean, this is an awful lot for her to take in, it really is. So I'm just going to walk towards it now. I'm still going to go for that give and take on the lead. Licking the lips, yeah, so she's taking it in. Oops, there we go. So this is when she stops and sits down, so I won't stop. Always give and take. Don't talk to her. Don't do soft talking, that will just make her worse. The kids are all screaming. I mean, this is major trauma for her and she's doing it all, she's dealing with it. Okay, and then we wait at these gates. All the time I've got Roscoe here, Mr. Calm, to try and help. And we just wait. Lots of waiting around, lots of lead work today with Tilly. Always give and take with that lead. Lovely. And then she's sat down. So it's going to make a loud sound in a minute when the gates open, so that might trigger her again. And the gates are opening. Yeah, lots of noise, look. Always give and take. I'm always giving and taking with that lead. They've got to have that release bit for the head to actually take it all in. If you are constantly holding them, the tension is constant, so the mind is in a constant sort of fight or flight mode. All right, we have to give that relaxation for them just to figure it all out. That frantic panting. Lovely. And we'll just stand here for a while. Roscoe obviously is completely calm. Lovely. Okay, Ross, this way. And then we'll head back and we'll walk past the play area where all the kids are still making lots of noise. So that lead, if you can see, I've tried to move the stopper so you can see the movement of the lead going up and down. Constant give and take, look. But I'm not overly harsh, I'm not pulling my hand right up. Just give and take, quite jerky movements. And then if it all feels like it's getting a little bit too much and a bit too frantic and forward, we stop. I have to give her that lead to see if her head's back and she's going to sit. There we go, and then we sit down. And there's lots of noise and the kids are playing. So making her sit and deal with all of this, super headache for her, super headache. But it will really help to build that confidence up that nothing's happened. Lovely. Bless you, Tilly.